Hey, it's Spence from LaunchFlows.com. Had a great question today from Chris Muncie, who asked a good question. He's a developer who has made a custom post type for the upsell products, and as such wanted to know how to redirect when you're setting up LaunchFlows to do that. The very simple way to do that is to redirect using a free plugin. There's many of them that do this, but right now I'm using Simple Page Redirect. Now, in an upcoming version of LaunchFlows, I may actually make an option box or improve the experience. But I found that this kind of thing allows a huge amount of flexibility, whereas, as you can imagine, if I allow every post type to show up in the drop-down box, there'll be thousands of choices. So right now it's limited to pages, posts, and lessons. There is a filter if you're a developer, but anyway, this method is super, super easy. So you install this plugin. Now, I have done two things here. I have created a page that will act as a placeholder. That's all it's doing. It's a page, but because the plugin is installed Simple Redirect, I can now just put the URL of where I want this to go to if I send somebody to it, right? So why is that important? Well, here's my upsell product, and I go into the LaunchFlows tab, and now where normally you would only see a page or a post or a lesson post type, now you can see that the page I just created, redirect to anywhere, that's one of the choices. So when the upsell product is added to the cart, it will take you to what should be the redirect anywhere page. But because that now is set to go on to the next thing, it's not going to happen that way. It's going to take you to the URL that we've programmed in. So let's save these and give them a try. I don't need to do an actual checkout. What I'm going to do is just publish this, and let's just give this a price of $1. And we're going to look at this particular product and see what happens, right? Let's make sure we can do it anyway. We can use the direct checkout link here. Let's just try that. So I'm throwing this product into the cart. It should take me to spencerforeman.com. Ta-da! It's that simple. So this is a free and easy way to manage these things. And what's nice about it is that you're never going to actually see this content. So you could put a note in here. This is for my upsell product in the XYZ sales funnel. If you recall from another lesson in LaunchFlows or in our documentation, I don't use graphical interfaces. I suggest if you want to manage lots of sales funnels, you can use your whimsical tool, or you can use one of the free tools for WordPress that lets you organize all your pages into groupings. So this is a great way you can actually accomplish more of that. You could just set up your basic sales funnel pages for what products they throw to the cart and where they redirect. This is Spence. I'll see you on the next video.